Ice cream, anyone? No thanks. One like, please. Hello and welcome to Gadget on a Budget. I'm Kanye. It's a pleasure to have you here. So in today's Gadget on a Budget, we're going to be looking at the two power banks that I picked up from Mr. Price. I think they are cute. I picked them up for $159, both of them. Let me just show you what the specs at the very back here. So we'll just have a look at them and see what I think about it, and yeah, let's see if you would use them. So here are our beautiful power banks, and by beautiful I really mean beautiful power banks. They are written, your on the go bestie power bank, any phone. I did show you what's happening here. Okay, let's take them out. Take them out. Look at how cute this little ice cream is. Oh, this is so cute. And then there's one like here. So each came with its USB cable. Okay, it has one USB port right here, and it has the charging port when you need to charge it. Mini USB port here for you to charge it. Okay, same thing. USB port for output and mini USB port for input. Okay, I did give them a try, and when I was charging they showed me signals that they're charging. Let me just show you. When both of them are charging, they give out, they flash red. When they are charging, they flash red. Both of them flash red. Okay, and when they are done charging, this red becomes solid. It does not flicker. It doesn't do what it's doing now, the on and off. When they are charging something, they give out the blue LED, which is this one. Both of them do the very same thing. Give out this blue LED. Okay, both of them, when they're charging, they give you this blue LED light. So I charged both of them overnight, and in the morning I charged two phones with this one. But because it doesn't have a button to show me how much power is left on it, I don't know how much power is left on it. So, but I did charge like two phones that were completely dead. Really, there isn't much to say about power banks. They're pretty standard, and these ones are nice and portable, and they're cute. Look at them. Anyway, so I'll see you again in the next Gadget on a Budget video. Thank you so much for watching.